steamboat shop, Tommy found a workshop bright, butterflies painted morning light. Rainbow colors filled the sky, magic fluttered way up high. Butterfly builders, butterflies built wings with care, flower petals everywhere. Tommy helped with joyful cheer, rainbow magic floated near. Rainbow paint, petals mixed in crystal bowls, painting colors, making goals. Every swirl began to glow, rainbow streams began to flow. Wing machine, the wing machine hummed with delight, painting butterflies shining bright. Sparkly patterns, colors new, every wing a dream come true. Flower bridge, across the floating flowers wide, butterflies dance side by side. Rainbow trails lit up the air, magic shimmered everywhere. Crystal cocoon, crystal cocoons open wide, tiny butterflies flew outside like a colorful happy dream. Wing library, shells of wings and colors bright, glowed with sparkling rainbow light. Every wing told stories too, filled with wonder fresh and Rainbow paint, petals mixed in crystal bowls, painting colors, making goals. Every swirl began to glow, rainbow streams began to flow. Butterflies circled round and round, rainbow sparkles filled the ground. Tommy followed with delight to the tower shining bright. Rainbow butterfly, Tommy built a butterfront, every color sparkled high like a rainbow in the sky. Sky studio, high above where soft clouds flew, Tommy smiled with heart so free, creating magic happily.